In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks in Obsidian. First, open Obsidian. If you're new to the app, think of it as a powerful markdown notebook where you can keep notes and to-dos together. Once you're in your vault, create a fresh page by clicking the new note icon. This gives you a clean canvas to set up your task list exactly how you want it. Give your note a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Something like daily tasks or project tasks works great. Titles help with search, linking, and keeping your workspace organized. Now, type two hash symbols followed by a space to create a second level heading, like Namsterdam tasks. In Obsidian, headings can be folded, which means you can collapse and expand them to keep your note tidy. This is why we're using double hashtags. They create a collapsible section so your tasks don't overwhelm the page. On the next line, add a brief subject or description, for example, daily notes task sample. This line sets context and makes the purpose of this list obvious when you revisit it. To add a checkbox, press Ctrl and L. That inserts a to-do box so you can mark things complete. If your shortcut is different, use your assigned hotkey in Obsidian or type a to-do manually. After the checkbox appears, type your task description. Keep your task names action-oriented and specific, like draft meeting agenda or review design feedback, so you know exactly what to do when you see them. Press Enter to add more tasks and keep them under the same heading so they stay grouped. Next, create another collapsible section by typing two hash symbols again and name it Namerdblah Done. This will be your completed section. Having a dedicated Done area is useful because you can collapse the active list to stay focused and expand the Done section when you want a quick progress check. When you finish a task, select that task line and drag it into the Done section. This keeps your active list clean while preserving a simple record of what you've accomplished. If drag and drop feels imprecise, make sure you're selecting the whole line, including the checkbox, before you move it. You can collapse either section at any time to cut down visual clutter, especially as your list grows. That's it. You've created a simple, collapsible task system in Obsidian with an active list and a done archive, perfect for daily notes or project tracking. Save your note and you're ready to manage tasks more clearly and confidently.